Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is LG brand sensing dryer system dryer. This is model wise RC 9066 G2F. This brand, this is sensing dryer system. That's mean actually condensation system. The problem is this dryer is working actually, but while running time is all the water coming downside. Because of that actually we collected to the workshop. Now I'm going to repair this machine and I will show you how to repair this one. What is the problem? Why is water leaking from the down? Everything we have to troubleshoot the problem, and we will go to the next step and we will check. Power connection. I will start the machine. I'm selecting any option here. You can see, dear friends, machine is running very quietly, no any abnormal noise. But the thing is, within few minutes is all the water coming downside and going here and there. Because of that only, this is the complaint with this machine. Now I have to remove the machine, top cover, side covers, everything. After that we can understand what is the problem, because all the water should come. This is condensation system. All the water should come to this container. At the moment this container is empty. Because of that we have to check the all the drain cycle, that's mean drain pump and also water sump, everything we have to check. Now I will shut down the machine. Also I will relieve the power connection and we will remove the, suppose we remove the top cover, after that side covers, and we will check. Now I'm going to remove the top cover here. Screws only. Also here one screw. Now I can remove the top cover. Yes, all the lints are outside everywhere. Because of that only actually is water not coming to the container. It should come through this line. Now it is not coming. Because of that only this issue came. Now I will remove the side cover also. I will remove here condenser box and here lock. Also this one also lock. Now we can take the cover here out. After that we can take the condenser box out. You can see, dear friends, actually it is already, it's got lock, got block. We have to clean properly. This one too much dirt. Also you can see here inside. Here having still water. We have to remove anyway. We have to remove the full cover. After that we can understand. Now I will remove this cover here. Here lock. Also here lock. Careful, we have to do this job actually. If it is scratch comes problem because of that. Now you can see, dear friends, it is already so many lints are here. Because of that actually because of that only it's too much blockage. Also water not draining properly. Now you can see here. Now this screw we have to remove, otherwise side covers we are not able to remove. And both sides I will remove. Now we can remove side covers. Now I can take it out. You can see now I remove side cover. Also this side also we can remove. Now we can take it out. We have to pull out. After that this will come like that. Here you can see here, this is so many lints are there. Because of that all the drain lines already got blocked. You can see here. Everywhere actually lints. Now I will do one thing. I'm going to take the drum out without removing front panel, front side. It is easy. Back of the machine we can remove. After that we can take it out. And now I'm going to release the V-belt here. We have to release this one. You can see here this lock here, and press in and take it out. It will come like that. Now very easy to remove belt. If you need again we can fix also here. It's like that. After fixing V-belt only tension will come. Now I have to remove here screws, these two screws, and also we will check the here heater. I will remove the cover here. Now I remove all the screws. Now we can take it out the heater cover here like that. You can see dear friends, here so many lints are here. It's too much actually. It is not the normal, it is abnormal. You can see here it is still having here water. You can see dear friends, this one, it is already got rusty because of the humidity. Also water, it's still having water here. See, now before removing drum area, we have to disconnect the here the line here. We have to disconnect the heater line. You can see here 3 connectors with the harness. We have to remove these connectors first, and like that. After that this will come. It's like that. Now I'm going to remove the here drum with the back cover, and we have to disconnect the here capacitor line also. This one also we have to remove. Now we can release drum here. Bracket 2 screws. Harness. Now I will disconnect here. This connector we have to remove. Also this one which is coming from the main harness. Also this connector. This all the connectors I have to remove. These 2 connectors I have to remove. Display, harness, also this one. Now actually it's released already. Now I have to remove here this screw. Now it's okay. Now I can take with the drum full set, but I have to clean. Because of that, actually I will remove first. After that we have to remove. If you need only the clean this area, we can do the separately remove here. Before that we have to remove the harness lock here, because it's otherwise it's not coming. This lock and this lock we have to remove. Now it's okay. Now with the harness we can take it out, and here a rubber washer with the, it will come out like that. Now it's okay. Now we have to remove this nut. After that we can take it out heater. Now that is thermistor. Now I can take the drum out also. Before that I have to disconnect here this line, drain line, and after that easy to take. You can see here, this is the line. We have to disconnect this one, and also down offload line here. Now it's okay. Now we can take it out drum. Now I will take the drum out. Now you can see, dear friends, I can take the drum out. Now you see I remove already drum. All the areas already got blocked. You can see with the lint. Here sump assemble. Also here drain pump, drain motor, drain pump. Sorry, drain pump. Also here sensor. And I have to remove this harness. And drain pump connection. Now it's okay. Now we have to clean, we have to take it out, this part. After that we can clean properly. So remove all the screws. After that we can easy to clean. Now you can see I can remove the here cup. So all the locks coming here like that. We have to clean properly everywhere. Now this one also I can remove. I can remove like that. You can see, dear friends, this part we have to clean properly. After that I can refix dry machine. Here all the lints we have to remove, because this one only after becoming water is going inside from here to there. After cleaning we will fix again. Now we have to clean properly. There you go. Now I already removed this drum nut also, because here too much lint. Because of that I remove. I have to clean properly. See, here too much. If I'm not removing this one, this area again it will get blocked. Because of that, I remove already. Now I can remove the drum heater also. Here two nuts are here. Okay, now we can remove the heater. You can see, dear friends, it's too much. Actually, it's got blocked. We have to clean properly. Now after cleaning, we can fix again as same before. Now we will careful. We have to clean heater and all. Now I will show you how to becoming water here. All the vaporize is come to the condenser box. After that, all the water come to here, this part, and here this is the sump. Actually, this sump part. After that, after becoming water, all the water going through this hose to the condensation here. This box, that's mean water's drawer. This is the way. Actually, if it is unfortunately, it will getting blocked here, this hole, this wall here, this gate, actually this gate getting blocked with the lint. All the water here coming and going outside. That is the complaint with this machine. Now this water pump, if it is working or not, we can check also giving direct power. Now I already supply direct here.